Hey, have you been looking for Facebook lead generation? Well, I'm going to show you 5 organic methods that actually work to generate you Facebook leads. And I'm going to go through that right now. So first and foremost, we're going to build our Facebook audience, which includes adding friends. I'm going to show you how to get friends and where to actually find them from. And then when we get the friends and we get people onto our Facebook page, I'm going to show you how to actually follow up with them and to be able to get leads, right? So your content creation is going to be very important in this process, and I'm going to show you that in this video. And if you don't know who I am, I'm Gio Gianta. I'm a top producer and top traffic provider in online space, and I help people to build and grow their business online. And I'm going to show you these 5 ways to generate Facebook leads organically without paying a penny in paid advertising, right? So let's get into it. This is the first method right here. It's going to be adding people from Facebook groups. So pretty much you can add people from big groups that have a lot of people, or groups that have added people who have already bought something. Now, obviously, you don't want to poach groups, so don't just join opportunities to poach the group. Don't do that at all. But big groups that have a lot of people in it, you can actually go into those groups, like into a quotes group, for example, and you could go into the members. It has 2 million members right here. So you go into the members. These are all people that are into personal development and things like that. And then you scroll down to a section that says members with things in common. So if you have business people on your page, you can go and you could click here and you could see the members with things in common, and you could add these people. That's the first way to build your audience on Facebook, is add people from Facebook groups with the members you have in common. And obviously you're going to want to look at their profile to see what they're doing, to see if they're still active, to see if they have a clear headshot Facebook profile image, and you want to see if their Facebook profile is filled out before you actually add them, and you want to see what their interests are, right? So you want to do that before you add people, but this is a way that you could build your audience on Facebook and be able to grow and generate leads from that. And I'm going to show you that in this video as well. Okay, so the second method is adding people from ads. So if we go to Facebook, for example, I go back to the home page. I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to see ads. So this is basically an ad about AI. And I mean, AI is pretty big right now. It has 47 shares and 65 comments, and there's 608 people that have left a reaction. So I could go in those people and I could see which of these people that I want to add. So this ad is being paid for on Facebook, so they're paying for this, and you see ads like this, and you could actually get that traffic for free. These are people that you would want to add because they're being targeted by the ads. So you don't have to pay for ads. You can actually see the people right here, and you can see the people that comment right here. So there's all these people right here that potentially are engaged, and they have some kind of interest, and they left a comment, right? So you can look at these people right here, and you can see who actually engaged with this ad right here. So Facebook ads are a way that you could build and grow the audience that way. And then Facebook Reels, that's what's next. So we come over here, and basically I created a reel. I'm going to show you that on my page. So I scroll down to here, and the page is right here. I have a reel, and I wrote the reel, or I created the reel, and I used TikTok. So you could use TikTok auto cut, which means you could put a couple pictures together and create a real nice auto cut reel from that. And I come over to Facebook and I post it, right? So I use the auto cut feature on TikTok to create this, and you could have a transition and things like that in there. And then what I do is I put hashtags, right? So when people are searching or they find a hashtag, they're going to see the reel right here, and they're going to see this content, and that's how your reels end up showing up. When you're watching reels, right, you'll end up seeing people's pages, and they'll come back to this page, and you'll get new friends that way. You'll get new people, and you'll grow your audience that way as well. So Facebook Reels are really good to get friends, new friends that you're not actually currently connected to, right? So that's how this works. And You don't have to add everybody that sends you a friend request, but it's a good way to grow your audience, right? So Facebook Reels are going to be a way for you to actually connect with more people and generate leads, right? So that's going to be another way. So another way that you can do is Facebook friend suggestions. So basically, Facebook suggests friends of who you actually want to add. So you go over here and you go to friends, and then you can see all these people, and then they have a section that says suggestions, and you could scroll down and you could see who you have in common. And the people with the more friends are really the people that you want to take a look at. So the more friends you have in common, the more likely they are to be a real profile, but you actually want to check out the profiles before you add them. I don't actually add everybody because I have almost 5,000 friends right now, and I need to delete some people. But once your Facebook page maxes out at 5,000 friends, your friends that want to add you, they'll end up following your page. So it'll be like they're actually your Facebook friends. They just won't be connected to you personally. They can still follow your page, which is really cool with Facebook. So you can have that as well. So that's how you do that. And that's friend suggestions, right? So that's something you could do right there. And then, influencer post engagement. So for example, let's go to, so we're going to go to Eric Worre. So this is his page right here. And we're going to scroll down and we're going to see his post right here. So, he has this post right here that has over 74 people that have reacted to it and 44 comments. So we can go inside here. We can see who these people are. And typically they're going to be people who have an interest in network marketing, for example. And they're going to be people that have things in common with you if you're in the network marketing space or online marketing. And then you're going to have comments right here. So these people that are in the comments right here are very highly engaged. So you can do that with any real big, influencer in any kind of niche. So you want to be aware of what kind of niche you're in, what kind of thing you're promoting, and know who the influencers are in that niche, the people with big followings, and you could actually do that method, right? So that's going to be a way that you actually do that is through influencer post engagement. And then we take them to a capture page. And I'm going to show you this right here, how you could do it on Facebook. So typically, you want to make sure your profile is filled out. And, I use this page right here. This page is a turnkey residual income system to where you get 80% of every dollar that comes back to you. And you could find a link for this page by clicking on the second link below this video. The second link below this video is going to take you to this page. And what happens is it validates the emails. So you get only real emails when you use this funnel system. And you can get your hands on this funnel system below this video. And this is going to make sure that your leads are 100% real. We send out the emails for you. We send out everything, so you don't need to set up an autoresponder. You don't need to set up anything like when you're using this system that's already ready to go for you. So we have that ready to go. We have the offer ready to go for you. Now you need to generate leads for this system. So I'm going to show you how to actually do that. We actually have a tool right here that basically it works off your Chrome browser that loads your Facebook friends, right? So you can load the Facebook friends and it will send them out messages asking them if they're open to looking at new opportunities. We already have the messages in here and it just spins the messages, so you don't have to worry about which you're actually sending people. We have it ready to go for you, and it will send 10 messages per day. Then when people say that they're open to looking at it, you just ask them for the best email. Then you would come over here to this page right here. You would opt them in and you would send them out an email that we have. It's a copy and paste email. It already has your links in it. So once you sign up for the system by clicking on the second link below this video, you'll be able to get your hands on an email that you send out to them. And then you're going to opt them into this page and it does everything for you. It's a turnkey system. So, generating the leads are going to be very important. So with this tool that we have right here, it's going to go out to all your Facebook friends that maybe you haven't talked to in a while. Facebook when you have a lot of friends, chances are you're not engaging with everybody. And it's also going to increase your engagement because as you're having conversations with people, Facebook likes that. Facebook likes community and communication. So if you're talking to your Facebook friends, they're going to show your content to them as well. They're going to push your content out to the people that you're talking to, and they're going to actually see your content because you're talking to them and having a conversation. So when it comes time for you to post, it's going to pop up in their newsfeed, right? So that's going to be a real cool way for you to actually, engage with more people on Facebook and generate more leads. So yeah, definitely. If you're ready and you want to know how to actually do this the right way, come to the second link below this video, opt in, put your information in there, and it will show you how to create systems and how you could use this system to be able to generate leads online. And you will be able to get this, invite tool that you can use to build your email list and get free Facebook leads using this tool right here. And, growing your audience is going to be the first thing that you want to do. Then when you grow the audience, you can actually invite them. So it's really a two-step process, and this video was for both. So make sure you come over here and put your information in here. And you can also connect with me on Facebook. I have a Facebook group where I give free tips, tricks, and strategies on how to build and grow your business online. There's going to be a link for that below this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any time that I upload a new video. Also, if you have any questions and you want to leave them in the comments, you could do that as well. I will answer all the comments. Make sure you leave your questions below, and I will talk to you soon. Bye for now.